Thank you for having me, Kat.
Now, the internet went crazy last week when Serena Williams released this dress, and because she claimed it suited absolutely every body type. Look at it; she's got it there. Now, it's flattering. What makes it flattering? And given it's sold out, can you find us something similar?
Okay, I can replicate the look, not rip off. Replicate. But I think the Serena dress was so popular because it hit so many pain points for women.
Right.
So it kind of gave you the sleeve, it snatched in your waist, it gave you a length appropriate dress. It's a nice, comfortable jersey fabric. And yes, I did find you something.
Show us.
I actually think might be better.
Oh, yeah, show us.
Okay, this dress is from Chic, and I have shown it on two different beautiful body types. So you can tell she's tall, lean, and she's voluptuous, beautiful, and curvy. And you can see how the sleeve, because the sleeve is quite important, because sometimes, you don't really want to show off your arms. Some women are funny about that. And just in general, it actually gives you a classic look with a nice sleeve. Sleeves are in, people. Okay, it also gives you that snatched in waist. And for those people that need a bit extra more, you have a thing here that distracts from the tummy as well.
I love a bit of ruching.
Yes. So that disguise, and the fabric is so supple and soft, and it's not clingy like, remember the bodycon dresses? It's soft and it stretches with you, but it kind of doesn't cling to you.
I actually own this dress. I have to say, it is amazing.
Serena's dress was $129 US. What's the price point on this?
This is $170 Australian.
Okay,
but I actually think you're going to get more use out of it, even because of the color itself.
Yeah.
Yeah. So day, night, dress, work, just dress it up, dress it down.
Okay, can we talk about Boris Johnson's girlfriend, Carrie Simons? She wore this frock recently. It sold out in seconds. It's now available on eBay, selling for more it originally cost. And you're going to tell us why this dress is so popular and how we can find it here.
Okay. So I think this dress was so loved by people because the color. These colors are so even like the color you're wearing, my pinks, those soft, nude, supple colors, and it gives you a classic, elegant look. And again, it's very versatile and transitional. What I mean by that is she can wear it with summer sandals. Just as easily, she can throw it on a boot, add a jacket to it, and she has a great winter outfit, and it's also very length appropriate. Does she have a christening to go, nice date, to work? It just depends. They're so easy to dress up, dress down. They're versatile.
Who's this by? What's the price point?
Again, at Chic. I promise I'm going to show you another brand. But they're doing really good things this season, so I just wanted to spotlight them. And yes, that's also $179.
$179, okay. Now, when Kate Middleton wore this white dress at Wimbledon, which we're about to show you, it sold out within minutes. What have you got for us if we like that?
Okay, see, that look was a bit tricky to replicate because I felt like it was two dresses in one. So from one look, you can see that it's a shirt dress, but it's in the form of a peasant style. So I'm showing you two dresses for one.
All right, sure.
So, okay, the colors are a bit different, but the style, you have to follow me with the style.
It's like gorgeous. I love that one.
See, because again, all these dresses, it's a shirt dress, but it's a feminine take on a shirt dress. Do you know what I mean? It cinches
I love
you
the
in
pleats
other way.
too.
The pleats, so it gives you that, shape. And that you can just go straight out peasant, skater girl look, as they call it. That's the style. And I think that's so flattering. And there's so many versions of shirt dresses, long, short. If you're the one like Angela, you love to show off your legs. There's so many. You wore a beautiful shirt dress yesterday.
Oh, thank you.
They suit and work for the modern woman, I believe. So check out shirt dresses.
This is Country Road?
This is Country Road. Both of them are from Country Road.
Country Road.
They're currently in store.
And the price point's okay there too?
That's at $200. They're both $200 dresses.
Okay, which can sound like a bit of an investment, but really, a frock is set and forget. You chuck it on and you leave the house.
That's exactly right. But this is exactly why I encourage people to spend not expensive, but just a little bit more, because you get good quality. It's going to last you. You're going to be able to wear it time and time again. And best of all, you're going to look fantastic and great in it.
Let's bring all the girls out to say thank you.
You look gorgeous. Well done, ladies. Thank you as well to Victoria from Talking Shop. We love these frocks and our models from Scenario Artists as well. Now, after the break, the world loved him in the wholesome movie The Sound of Music. Now, Nicholas Hammond is tackling the other side of Hollywood in Tarantino's latest flick. We are chatting to him about both roles next. See you soon. Oh, well done, girl.